In today's video, I'm going to teach you to trade Topstep on TradingView. First, launch tradingview.com in your web browser, or open the TradingView app if you're on desktop or mobile. Being signed in helps keep your chart settings and drawings synced, so everything stays consistent as you work. At the top of the interface, click Supercharts to open the full-featured charting workspace. This is the environment where you'll connect your Topstep-enabled broker and place your trades. When Supercharts loads, look to the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. If it isn't visible, expand it using the small arrow. In the panel, browse the list of supported brokers and choose the one that matches your Topstep setup, typically Tradivate or Trade of 8. This ensures your orders route correctly through the evaluation connection. On the connection window, select Demo. This keeps you in the practice or evaluation environment. Enter your Topstep login credentials for that broker and click Connect. After a moment, you should see a connected status and your account listed in the panel. If it doesn't connect, confirm that Demo is selected and that your credentials and permissions are correct with your provider. With the connection active, prepare the trade directly on the chart. On the left-hand toolbar, find the long position tool if you plan to buy, or the short position tool if you plan to sell. Click on the chart to drop the tool at your intended entry. Then drag the handles to position your stop loss and take profit. The red and green zones give you a clear visual of risk and potential reward, helping you verify that the trade fits your plan before anything is sent. Always set your stop loss and take profit levels within TradingView before you confirm the order. Doing this first reinforces disciplined risk management and reduces the chance of errors in fast-moving markets. Take a moment to double-check the symbol, time frame, and account in the order panel, and make sure the side long or short matches your plan. When everything looks right, confirm the order from the on-chart panel or the order ticket that appears. Your stop and target will be attached as planned, so you're protected from the start. That's the complete workflow. Open TradingView, launch Supercharts, connect your Topstep broker in Demo, map out the trade with the long or short position tool, and execute with your stop and take profit set ahead of time. Practice this sequence until it feels smooth, and you'll trade with more confidence and consistency. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.